On Saba and Statia on the area of incoming tourism by air, we see a different scenario compared to Bonaire. This is because the islands, they have different containment policies in place. And then we see that in Saba and Statia, we see a slower recovery compared to Bonaire, whereby the figures of last September show that for Saba, we had reached 50% of the figures of 2019. And for Statia, we see that we reached 30% of the levels before the pandemic. As we just saw, COVID-19 definitely had an effect on the number of visitors of 2020, but did it also influence migration figures? We cannot say that for sure, but the statistics show that on Saba and Statia, immigration almost halved compared to the previous year, 2019. Still, the population on Saba and Statia remained practically the same in 2020 as the year before, and this means 1,918 residents on Saba and 3,142 residents on Statia.